Noova Fridge Purifier is marketed as a small device that keeps your fridge fresh by eliminating odors, bacteria, and air contaminants. But the real question is whether it actually filters anything or just makes big claims. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Fridge deodorizers and air purifiers do exist, and some use activated carbon or ionization to reduce odors. So the concept itself is real. However, here's the key point. Not all purifiers actually filter air in a meaningful way, especially small, filterless devices. What it actually does well: odor reduction to some extent. Devices like Noova often use ionization or similar tech to break down odor particles, which can make your fridge smell fresher. Low maintenance. Noova claims to be filter-free and long-lasting, meaning no replacements or upkeep, where it falls short. Not true filtration. Noova promotes ionic technology instead of filters. That means it's not physically removing particles like mold or bacteria the way real filters, like carbon or HEPA, do. Overstated claims. Claims like eliminating mold spores, germs, and allergens are very hard to verify, especially in a small, enclosed fridge device. So, does it actually filter your fridge? Short answer, not really. It may help with odors, but it's not doing true air filtration in a scientifically meaningful way. It's closer to a deodorizer than a purifier. Bottom line, Noova Fridge Purifier isn't pure scam, but it's definitely overhyped. It can make your fridge smell fresher, but claims about killing bacteria, removing mold, or purifying air are likely exaggerated. If you want real results, a simple carbon filter, or just regular cleaning will do more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.